Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your iPhone 17 GPS signal is lost in maps. So, at first open settings. Now you need to scroll down until you see the privacy and security tab, which is over here. Tap it and tap location services. Here you need to search for the services, and now here as you have find my iPhone, something like that. You need to disable it, just disable these all things over here and enable them back again. Apart from that, try disabling the location services here, tap turn off, tap location services and turn them back on. Of course not like immediately after, so like I did, but do it after, for example, 1 minute, 2 minutes or something like that. This should help you. If it still doesn't and you do have some issues with the signal, you need to remove the case which maybe has the magnetic MagSafe thing over here, magnets. If it's not original, you should remove it. Restart your iPhone and check for the N1 chip interference. So as I said, magnets, maybe you do cover the camera surroundings over here. Just check all these things, and that should help you. And if it still doesn't, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.